believe what's been going on. Do you remember when we were in space? And I got all dusty? And I must have passed out because I woke up and you were gone. But Dr. Strange was there, right? He was like, it's been 5 years, come on, they need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. What are you doing?
Hey, my gosh. Let me tell you what
I just wanted to be like you.
And I wanted you to be better.
தொடர்பவன் நீ